Today we are going to discuss about blocking in SQL Server, in which we are going to cover blocking and block queries, how to find block by user details, means which user is blocking to our queries. Okay, then how to resolve blocking issues, means we are going to commit or we are going to kill that query which is blocking to our query or session. Okay, so let's start it. We have three sessions, 57, 58 and 61. Okay, so 57 session query will run, and we are going to update Jane where name is Janet. Okay, so if we not commit this transaction, so and we are selecting data from same table EMP, so this query will run, means 58 will run until and unless we kill this 57 session or either commit that transaction. Okay, so we are going to check which query is blocked and which user details. So let's see. Okay, so first of all we see data in EMP. Okay, there is two record for JNet. Okay, so from 57 we will run query begin trans. Okay, this transaction is means we executed query executed successfully, but we have not committed transaction. Okay, so now we select data from EMP. Okay, in 58 session. Let's see. Okay, see, now we have executed this query, but it is executing because this session is not committed. Okay, so this is open transaction. So when we execute this query in 58 session for EMP, we are trying to find data from JNet, but that transaction is not committed till now. So as a DBA or database developer, I want to find which user is blocking to my query or which query is blocking to my query. Okay, so let's see. First of all we will find who is active or which query is blocking to. We know that our session is 58. Okay, so who is active? If we execute this, so what we will get? We will get the system process ID. See, till 50 it is system processes. After 50 the session we use. Okay, for our use. Let's see here. So what we find here, block by. Okay, 50, this is 57 and 58. Okay, we executed query 58 and see here 58 is blocked by 57. So if we execute SPO2 active, so we can find which query is active and which session is blocked and by which session. So here 58 means this select query is blocked by 58. Here see 57 is blocked by 58. So now we get which session ID blocking to our query, that is 57. So we can check here detail of that user 57. Okay, here is. If we find, if we use SPO2 57, so we can get details, means host name, login details. Okay, so we know which login is blocking to our query. Okay, so now we will try to find another. There is one DBCC query, DBCC open trans. In this we can find how many transactions are open. So here we can find 57 transaction is open. Okay, and this query is completed, but session is still open, not committed. So we can know here DBC execution completed. Execution is completed, but session is open till now. Okay, now we can check which query is executed in 57 because 57, right? 57 is blocking to our 58 query, means select query is blocked by 57. So we can find which query is using in 57. So we can use DBCC input buffer and we can put here session ID. So now we get query begin trans and updates EMP set name here where name equal to JNet. So this query is blocking to our select query because here commit transaction not used. Okay, Now one more query is there. Sys select all from sys processes and block where SPID greater than 0 and block greater than 0, means we can get details about blocking queries. So if we execute this, see SPID blocked by 57. Okay, our select query is blocked by update query 57. Okay, so later we can check DBCC open trans and buffer, means here we can find that queries. Okay, same like means we know the block session ID, so we can find out query, and also we can find who is running that query. Okay, now we know that which user is running this query and which query is running there and blocking to our query. So what should we do? Either we can kill that query or we can commit that transaction. So see, if we are commit, then this query will run. Okay, so still it is executing, but if we kill or commit transaction, it will execute. Okay, so we can write like this: kill 57. If we run this query, so this session will kill, means update will roll back. But it is sometime we need to know about that, means it is essential or not, we should kill or not. So we can correct that user and you are running this query, and after that either he will commit or we can kill the session. If we commit here, okay, still this session is executed. If we commit here, okay, see commit is completed successfully. Now this query is successfully run. Okay, this session is running now. Okay, so we first solution is we can commit that transaction. Now second, if we do again same things, okay, there is same data now. Okay, JNet will be there in two places. Okay, and if we execute this query, okay, now again there will be active session. Okay, 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 this after updating update after executing this query, if we select from that table, so it is now blocked. So you can check here blocking details. Okay, here 57 58 is blocked by 57, select query blocked by update query. So we will do by second method now. So still this is executing. Okay, so we will kill 57 now. Okay, see, now kill 57 is kill, so query is executed in 58 session. Now this is kill. Okay, if we commit this, due to kill, this transaction is rollback. Okay, so we have two options: either we kill that, first of all we find which query is blocking to our query, which user is blocking to our session. So after that we can correct them, and there are two solutions. Either we can commit transaction or we can kill that. Okay, so we use this. From this SPU to active, we can find active sessions, and once we find open transaction or which session is blocking to our session by open transaction or to active, so then we will check which queries they are executing. After that we can kill that query or commit that transaction. Okay, so this is the about blocking query. So thank you for watching.